How to use Voice Assistant in Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can use voice assistants and you can use it to automate your device as well. So before we begin, if you guys are new to MPT, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So to use a voice assistant, if you haven't already done that or enabled it, you'll first need to do that. For that, open up your settings. So locate your settings app and then open it up. After you open it up, scroll down until you see the apps option. Tap on apps and again scroll down. There you'll find an assistant option. So there are two of those. So let's open up Google Assistant. And right here, you can see different options. So you can enable it and it's really easy to enable. You can choose the voice match. You can tap on Teacher Assistant to recognize your voice. By tapping on it, you can then start to enable it. Tap on Hey Google, enable that, and then you will need to talk to it for some time for it to understand your language and to recognize your language. And again, you can choose the languages for your assistant as well. There is also different options you can enable, but basically all you have to do is just tap on voice match, then tap on this Hey Google option and enable it. And you will need to start talking to it. So do that, and after you do that, you will be able to ask it to do stuff. So you can just ask it to call people, as it says on the top here. You can just say call mom, call dad. You can add connections like that. You can set an alarm. You can do stuff like that and automate your life. And that's how you use Voice Assistant. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.